Well, everyone, I decided to venture out and go do a small little shopping spree for me. Merry Christmas to me. Just a few things that, is going to come in handy in my little escapade here. But I just want to come up and share and show you. They're not expensive. They're definitely not my DeWalt. But they'll do for now. They'll probably get me through on the next few projects. And then income tax time will roll around and I'll get some good stuff. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy being stuck inside with this rain. Catch y'all later.